Hi, welcome back to my channel. I've been sent 5 of the new NYX Lip I.V Hydrating Gloss Serums. First go in with a brown liner. This is the NYX Vivid Rich Mechanical Liner. This is in the shade Smoking Topaz. The first shade that I'm going to be trying is Blush Rush. And so this is what the packaging looks like up close. Oh, wait, that's so pretty. There's definitely a lot of product on one swipe. It dries down with a natural finish almost. It's not matte, but it's not glossy. I'm going in with the Topicals Slick Salve. So this is Grape Gushing. Ooh. Wait, okay. I honestly would never wear a shade this dark. This is not my vibe. The next shade that I'm trying is called Bubblegum Burst. In the packaging though, it looks a lot lighter, which made me hesitant to try, but the shade is actually very nice. She's cute. I like this shade. I have 2 more shades to try. It's called Hydra Honey. This is what it looks like in the packaging. Honestly, this shade can just go by itself. It really didn't even need a gloss. Very nice color. I like it. Last shade is going to be Cocoa Quench. Dark chocolate. Oh, I don't like this shade at all. I don't think I like this one. What do we think? I don't know. These were the 5 shades. Comment down below which one did you like the most and which shade did you like the least. Thank you to NYX for sending these 5 shades of their new lip product over. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Bye.